Hey there, are you tired of the traditional investment market? Or maybe you're just looking for a new challenge? Then why not give cryptocurrency investment a go? Here are 10 reasons why you should invest in cryptocurrency today. 1. You are in control over your assets. Picture this: you're out for a fancy dinner with your friends and family, enjoying a nice meal and some great conversation. Suddenly, your phone starts buzzing like crazy. Your bank has frozen your account because they suspect some fraudulent activity. Now you're left with a hefty bill to pay and no way to access your own money. Talk about a buzzkill. But with cryptocurrency, you're the boss. You have complete control over your assets, and you don't have to worry about some big bank or financial institution coming in and freezing your account at the worst possible time. And let's be real, we've all heard horror stories of people's accounts being frozen or hacked, leaving them completely stranded. With cryptocurrency, you can send and receive money without any middlemen involved. That means you're in control of your own financial destiny. Plus, with the growing adoption of cryptocurrency, more and more businesses are accepting it as a form of payment. 2. The potential for high returns. The allure of high returns. Who doesn't want to make some quick money? Well, let me tell you, if you're looking for a potential goldmine, cryptocurrency might just be the way to go. Firstly, it's important to understand that cryptocurrency is a relatively new and volatile market. That means the value of these digital coins can fluctuate greatly in a short amount of time. But with great volatility comes great opportunity, my friend. Some cryptocurrencies have seen massive growth in value over the years, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, yes, the meme coin. If you had invested a few $1,000s in any of these coins a few years ago, you could be sitting on a pretty penny by now. Of course, there's always risk involved with any investment, and cryptocurrency is no exception. The market can be unpredictable and there's always the possibility of losing money. But if you do your research, stay up to date on the latest news and trends, and invest wisely, you could potentially see some serious returns. 3. Open source and publicly verifiable. The third reason why you should consider investing in cryptocurrency is because it's open source and publicly verifiable. What does that mean? Well, unlike traditional investments where you rely on third parties like banks, brokers, or fund managers to manage your assets, cryptocurrency is built on a decentralized system that anyone can access and verify. In simpler terms, this means that you don't have to rely on the word of a middleman to know what's happening with your investment. You can check the blockchain and see for yourself. This level of transparency is important because it ensures that the system is secure and trustworthy. It also means that you can invest in cryptocurrency with confidence knowing that your investment is being managed on a system that is free from manipulation, fraud, or corruption. 4. Cryptocurrency is a great long-term option. When it comes to investing, patience is key. And that's exactly why cryptocurrency is a good choice for the long term. First of all, unlike traditional investments such as stocks or bonds, cryptocurrency isn't tied to the performance of a particular company or industry. It's a completely separate asset class that operates on its own rules. This means that it can potentially provide diversification benefits to a well-rounded investment portfolio. 5. Many cryptocurrencies to choose from. There are so many different cryptocurrencies to choose from, each with its unique features and potential for growth. One of the benefits of having so many choices is that you can find a cryptocurrency that aligns with your values and interests. For example, if you're passionate about green energy, you could invest in a cryptocurrency that's designed to support renewable energy initiatives. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even try your hand at trading different cryptocurrencies to take advantage of short-term fluctuations in value. 6. The outlook is great. The future of cryptocurrency is a topic that always sparks a debate. But let me tell you, the future of cryptocurrency is looking bright. First of all, more and more people are starting to recognize the value of cryptocurrencies. The world is becoming increasingly digital, and cryptocurrencies are a natural fit for this new digital age. As more people invest in and use cryptocurrencies, the value of these digital assets is likely to continue to increase. Secondly, governments and financial institutions are starting to take cryptocurrencies seriously. They are recognizing that cryptocurrencies are not a passing fad, but rather a new and important asset class. This means that regulations are being put in place to protect investors and prevent fraud, which in turn will increase confidence in the cryptocurrency market. Finally, the technology behind cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving and improving. New and exciting projects are being developed every day, which will increase the utility and adoption of cryptocurrencies. With the rise of blockchain technology, we are likely to see new use cases for cryptocurrencies, such as supply chain management, identity verification, and more. 7. Gain new skills. Investing in cryptocurrency is not just about making money, it's also about learning new skills. In the cryptocurrency world, there are many new concepts and technologies to explore, such as blockchain, cryptography, and decentralized systems. By investing in cryptocurrency, you can learn about these concepts and develop new skills that may be useful in your personal and professional life. For example, you can learn how to use different wallets and exchanges, how to analyze market trends, how to secure your digital assets, and how to participate in the governance of decentralized protocols. You can also explore new ways of thinking about money, value, and trust, and how these concepts are evolving in the digital age. Learning these new skills can be fun and rewarding, and it can also help you stay ahead of the curve in a rapidly changing world. In a world where technology is advancing at an exponential rate, being able to adapt and learn new skills is more important than ever. 8. Many top organizations and companies are investing in cryptocurrency. You know what they say, follow the money. And when it comes to cryptocurrency, there's a lot of money being poured into it by some of the biggest organizations and companies in the world. From Tesla to Visa, big names are getting on board the crypto train. And why wouldn't they? Cryptocurrency is a hot topic right now, and it's not going away anytime soon. So why is this a good reason to invest in cryptocurrency? Well, think about it this way. These companies have whole teams of financial experts whose job it is to analyze and invest in the most profitable assets. If they're putting their money into cryptocurrency, it's a pretty good indication that it's a viable investment option. Plus, with these big names backing cryptocurrency, it's likely to gain more mainstream acceptance and adoption in the future. So, investing now could mean getting in on the ground floor of a major financial shift. 9. Flexibility and independence. Flexibility and independence. Don't we all want that in our lives? Well, cryptocurrency can provide just that. You see, when you invest in cryptocurrency, you become your own bank. You don't have to rely on any third-party financial institution to hold, manage or transfer your assets. You can access your investments at any time and from anywhere, without any interference or restrictions from external sources. Moreover, with cryptocurrency, you can choose which type of asset you want to invest in, and how much you want to invest. There's no minimum requirement, and you can customize your investment strategy based on your personal preferences and risk appetite. 10. Cryptocurrency can be a fun and exciting investment option. The final point, and what a point it is. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a thrilling and exciting experience that brings a new level of fun to your investment portfolio. Unlike traditional investments, cryptocurrency can be quite volatile, which means there's always the potential for rapid price movements that can lead to significant gains, or losses. But let's focus on the positive. And let's not forget the sense of community that comes with investing in cryptocurrency. There are countless forums, social media groups, and online communities dedicated to discussing the latest developments in the world of crypto, sharing investment strategies, and debating the merits of different cryptocurrencies. You might even make a few new friends along the way. So why not take the plunge and invest in cryptocurrency today? With these 10 reasons, you might just find your new favorite investment option.